Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techie with Blogs. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how easily we can create a YouTube channel in 2023. For that, initially we need a Google account. How to create the Google account? We need to put the first name, then the surname. Next, we need to put the day, month, year, gender. So this is a detailed video. So here I am entering the year, any year of your choice, because the Gmail account name will be according to your choice. So here it's asking us to choose the Gmail address. I'm going to choose it from the whatever sample it's giving, and then I'm going to put the password over here. This Gmail address has already been taken, so I'm going to provide one which suggestions they are providing. I've given the password. So this is the name of the channel, Technology Talks, and the email ID has been set. So I'm agreeing the privacy terms. These are the different IDs I have. Technology Talks channel has been created and is in progress now. So I have created the Gmail account for creating the channel. We can edit the name of the channel over here. Give the handle of our choice. Handle enables anyone to search your channel easily. @ and the name of the handle, and it will take you to the channel directly. And I'll click on create channel. So thus the YouTube channel will be created for me by the name of Technology Talks. So I'm getting a pop-up that the channel has been created. So I go to your channel, and this you can see skeleton of the channel has been created. You can upload video, shorts, lives of your choice. Set the channel banner for your channel. Channel URL is automatically created nowadays. You can add a description. Privacy, keep all my subscriptions private or keep all my saved playlists private. We can mention the default description that will be stored over here. Description about my channel. Now I'm going to open the YouTube Studio for this particular newly created channel. The YouTube Studio is blank now. 0 subscribers, channel analytics is 0, watch time is 0, but you will get all the options. Content, analytics, comments, earn, and in earn you will get the option for if there are any strikes on your channel, the total watch time, how to connect to the YouTube partnership program, research, overview, content, audience. If you like the content, do subscribe to my channel, because I'll continue uploading videos of this particular type.